In this video, I'm going to show you a little trick, and it's going to involve using your calculator to find the greatest common factor and least common multiple. So here are the steps to using your calculator. So the first step is, well, turning it on. And I'm going to clear out everything. Remember to clear out, you hit Control, Menu, Clear History. So step one is to press the menu button. Menu button is right here. And then I'm going to press the number 2 to get to the number screen. So if I hit the number 2, that'll take me to that number screen. So if I'm looking for the least common multiple, I'm going to press the number 4. Or you can always just scroll down. Least common multiple. Let's say I'm looking for a least common multiple. If I'm looking for the GCF, I would hit option 5 instead. Then you type in your first number, then a comma, which is found down here. Right there's the comma. And then your second number. And then press enter, and you're good to go. So let's practice doing that. Example 3 says, use your calculator to find the GCF and LCM of the following numbers. So first it's 20 and 25. So let's find the least common multiple first. So let's go through those steps again. I'm going to hit Menu, Number, which is option 2, and then option 4 right here is least common multiple. Okay, so now that the letters LCM come up, so I'm going to hit 20, comma, 25. Then I'm going to close my parentheses and hit enter, and it gives me my least common multiple, which is 100. Done. All right, next, GCF. This is like magic. So I'm going to follow similar steps. Menu, option 2. Now I'm going to go to option 5. It says greatest common divisor. That means the same thing, essentially, as greatest common factor. So I'm going to go down to option 5. And the letters GCD will come up for greatest common divisor. So I'm going to type in 20, then the little comma button down here, 25. Close my parentheses, hit enter, and I get 5. Makes sense. 5 is the biggest number that goes into both of those. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing with these two numbers, 28 and 56. So again, menu, go to option 2. First I'll look for the least common multiple, which is 4. You could scroll down or just hit the number 4. And I'm going to go 28, comma, 56. Enter. And I get 56. 56 is the LCM. And then again, I'm looking for the greatest common factor now. So go to number, greatest common divisor, which is option 5. So hit the 5. Then 28, comma, 56. Enter. And I get 28. Magic. Make sure you know the other ways as well, though, because on a test or on your test, I will ask you to show your work for one of these problems. But using your calculator is always a good way to check your answers.